welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pragya, aka Glam by Pragya. So today in this video I am actually going to be talking about the customized skincare I recently tried from Bare Anatomy and why I tried it and all of a sudden why I switched to a customized skincare. Talking a little bit about Bare Anatomy, they actually provides personalized skincare and personalized hair care. You can opt for any one you prefer. Either you can go for the personalized skincare or the personalized hair care. But I went for the personalized skincare because I was really having those acne issues coming back. So I was like, let me try a personalized skincare to see if it does work or not. So that's why I got my hands on this. So yes, so I got this on my hands and it has the product. So it contains these of the 3 products that I have been trying it for past 1 week, and that's the main reason I wanted to create this video, to let you guys know that whether customized skincare does work or not. So yes, without any further ado, let's just get rolling. So now first starting off with my skin concerns that I have been facing from the beginning of my YouTube channel that I have showed with you guys. So my concerns were I always have acne every month, at least 1, 2, 3. Like every month I have 1 or 2 acne, but sometimes it gets worse. Sometimes I get more than 1 or 2. Sometimes I get 5 to 6 acne on my jaw area, and also I get that pigmentation they leave after the acne is gone. And also I have a oily T-zone, which is really annoying, especially where the summers are here now. It is like my skin is producing more oils and I'm literally getting more acne. So there are products that are available in the market, but I wanted to go for a customized skincare. That's why I went with Bare Anatomy. So these were the skin conditions that I was facing. So there were 3 goals that I had to select for my skin. So it was mainly reducing acne, removing pigmentation, marks, and controlling the oil. That is the main goal of my life, to get rid of this skin problems. So yes, those were my issues. Now coming to the Bare Anatomy, there were multiple question answers. They also ask you that if you are going through any medications or anything like that, if you are using any other medicated skincare, so that they can guide you well through the process and through the customized skincare. So now coming to what I have actually got with this customized skincare, they give actually 3 products based on your requirement. Number 1 is a face wash. As you can see, this is the face wash. It looks like from a science lab. This gives me that kind of vibe. With the skincare products, the one thing is the best is that you are not gonna waste any. Every time you pump, this thing will help to get all the product up, so you don't waste a little bit of it. This is the moisturizer, daily, like all day moisturizer, which you can apply in the morning time after going ahead with a face wash. So this is my by far favorite product, I would say. So anyways, so this is the moisturizer and it is also in the same pattern. It helps to get the product up, and it is of 30 ml and this one is of 50 ml. And lastly, the third product is the night cream. So it is the night long rejuvenating repair cream, and I love the packaging again, guys. This is insanely luxe looking, honestly. So it kind of opens like this and you get the product inside. You can see how dirty it is because I've used a crap out of it. Like, I love this moisturizer at the night time. Now Bare Anatomy has given a pamphlet with this thing, and also they have mentioned all the ingredients over here that that the product contains. Now they have mentioned that meet your hand-picked ingredients for your custom formula. So this formula are based on the requirements I had. Now the face wash contains 3 key ingredients. Number 1 is Zemia, number 2 is licorice extract, and number 3 is salicylic acid. It also contains citric acid at the bottom of all the ingredients. Now Zemia is a solvent which helps the key ingredients, or you can say the actual ingredients, to dissolve into your skin. So that's what Zemia does. It is almost like a solvent, and licorice extract is really great for removing all the oils, dirt, and gunks. It helps in cleansing your pores and giving you a fresh skin. And salicylic acid, we all know, it gives you a mild exfoliation, and it also removes oil. It helps to keep your oils at bay. So I was really impressed with the ingredients that they have included in the face wash, and the face wash is very light. It lathers up very nicely. It really gives me a squeaky clean face and doesn't dry up my skin, to be very exact. It does not, but it gives me a very refreshing and a very clean face. Now next, coming to the moisturizer, which is 30 ml. It is a all day moisturizer. Now the moisturizer contains, number one is hyaluronic acid, number two is Zimia. They have used Zimia as a solvent, which is mostly it is something that is not gonna irritate your skin. It is really good for sensitive skin. And the third key ingredient is alpha arbutin, and we all know why alpha arbutin is good for our skin. It is a safe skin brightening ingredient which will help to remove the darkness, pigmentation, and spots, and really will give you that brightening effect. This moisturizer is by far my favorite. Like, I don't know, like, if I can get this one separately even in future also, but this is my most favorite product, and I have seen results also. But this was just an overall thought regarding this product. Now next, coming to the night cream, which is this one. It contains resorcinol, it contains tripeptide, and it also contains salicylic acid. Resorcinol is a new ingredient which I've never heard of, so I researched. Obviously I had to do my Google research for the skincare. So resorcinol is used to treat acne, and it is also good for eczema, or you can say if you have a flaky skin. Now it also contains peptides. Now peptides are really good for your skin. We all know that. It helps to moisturize and protect our skin. And next, it contains salicylic acid. As we said, it also helps to control the oils, do a mild exfoliation, and also treat our acne. So the night restore cream mainly contains of some good ingredients that will actually work on the acne and really fight with the bacteria that our skin producing, or the bad bacteria. So this is how the night cream looks like. It is a bit thick in consistency, but again not that thick. It again melts into our skin like water, but it is a little bit thick compared to that. I just feel that it is a tad bit has some like thickness to it. It is not like a super lightweight like the day moisturizer. Except my previous past acne, I have not been getting any new acne, which is a improvement. I would say I'm not getting any new acne right now. So whatever it was there, it was the past acne. And also due to the day moisturizer, especially this one, I am seeing results in my spots and scars. My skin looks brightened up. It doesn't look like I have like lots of dark spots in my face and all of that. So it's like a very good one for helping my skin to improve texture wise also. Like, I'm not seeing my skin is feeling very texturized like over here. I follow the same skincare routine in the morning and the night time to give myself the exact results I want. Currently I am using this product. I have been loving. Honestly, I would really suggest that if you are facing some really skincare issues where you are not going to a dermat, you want some skincare solution at home, try a customized skincare, because I think that is gonna help you with your specific skin needs, like what exactly your needs are. Like, suppose you want to remove the I would say dark spots, you can really go ahead for a customized skincare where your main target or main goal would be darkness, removing darkness, spots, and also brightening your skin. If you have acne or severe acne more than what I get, you can also go for that. Obviously you will get a customized product based on this. Like, the ingredients will only change, so you are gonna get these 3 products only, but the only thing that is gonna be changing, that is the ingredients. And this is my real honest opinion regarding these products, and I really love them, and I'm gonna be continuing to use them. That's it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this video was helpful to decide whether you want to go for a customized skincare or not. So yes, I will mention my link and referral link or my coupon code so that you can get some extra discounts. I'll mention that below, so don't forget to check the description box obviously. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, that would mean a lot to me. And that's it for today. We'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.